Dude, that's gotten even worse. Hi guys, it's flooding in chateaugay.
You see that mailbox?
Like, dude, that thing is the mailbox is halfway submerged, and it used to be a ditch right there.
Like, there's cars that are just stopped.
Like, look.
Yeah, stopped. There's like 2 in our driveway.
There's like one there's a bunch that stopped, and I think they're waiting for the rain to go away.
This is insane.
Dude, this is insane. You're right, Blake. This is crazy. Watch this car when it goes by. Oh, come on, they stopped too. Yeah, we gotta go inside. Everybody in.
Okay, yeah,
It's, oh crap.